Hello Darren, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. It's in amazing condition, great looking, red in black, with the quick adjustable levers. These are Pazzo levers, which are Italian brand, very high quality. The windshield is adjustable on this motorcycle. There's the lever, you press it, you can go up and down. Here, I don't know if you can see. Little mode, the bar raisers, acrylic dual carbon exhaust. The tires are brand new. The fender illuminator, so it doesn't have this huge plastic piece hanging behind. The bike is absolutely perfect. It has the surgeon seats, which are upgrades. Tank protector, there's a film on it, so there's not the scratches. And the bike is fully certified and serviced and is available. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, 14,700 kilometers. This is the price after safety. The price includes everything except HSD and the licensing. So please let me know. Thank you.